We're touring an Ocean View Balcony Stateroom onboard Wonder of the Seas, coming up on Talking Cruise. So welcome to room 9554 here on board Wonder of the Seas. This is a Ocean View Balcony Stateroom. So as soon as you enter the room, you will notice it's a very neutral decor, very light colors, and I actually like this. It's a little bit different than some of the other Oasis class ships that have come out recently, and other ships like Odyssey of the Seas as well. Now the layout of the room will change. This particular one has the bed up near the door to the room, and then the sofa is next to the balcony. This is actually going to be staggered from room to room. I do have the room next door as well. I do tend to book two rooms when I go with my family, and that room actually has the bed near the balcony and the sofa near the bathroom. So it does change from room to room. So right at the entrance, you do have a full-length mirror, which is great, and it does have enough room around so you can actually see yourself. And something that continues from other ships that have been launched recently is this kind of a split closet design that has a sort of a surround around the bed. So on the left side here, you do have one cupboard that has some spot for hanging clothes, some cubbies, your mini in-room safe, and then some more cubbies there. And then you do have a couple of drawers on the bottom, pretty good size actually, and nice soft clothes as well. And then we have the nice king-size bed. All the beds are typically very comfortable on Royal Caribbean. And one thing that I like, and again you'll see this on newer ships, so the nightstand here does have integrated lamp. The lamp stand itself does have an outlet for power as well as a USB port, and this is duplicated on both sides of the bed, so it's not just one or the other, it's actually both. And then the wall switch, which in this room is on the left side of the bed only, that will control all of the room's illumination, minus the two table lamps here. Those are on a separate switch. And also, as to be expected on newer ships, you have a nice large flat screen TV. And then on the right side of the bed, we do have another closet. And this one actually can be sort of customized a little bit. So you do have hanging clothes options, which you can actually have two separate sections. Or if you wanted to, you can remove this bar right here and have more full-length garments if you prefer. And a good place to store, you know, some bags as well. But always do remember, there's plenty of storage under your bed for your large suitcases. That's a great place to stow them during your cruise. And this room is set up as double occupancy, so the sofa does not convert, but it is actually quite large and comfortable. So a great place to sit, you know, watch television or just enjoy some of the nice view from your balcony. And then over here on the desk side, you do have a good sized desk for writing, a nice illuminated mirror for you know, makeup, or you know, just needing to have a mirror. It's good to have that here. And then what I really like is to see a good amount of charging options. So here you have a European and a standard US outlet. There's another European. You could get an adapter for this if you need even more power. You have a couple of USB outlets. That switches for the illuminated mirror. And then you have two more standard US outlets. So plenty of power options if you're power hungry like me. With all your devices, you're pretty much set here. And then you have more storage over here. There's a couple of drawers. This one does hold the hair dryer. And then below that, you do have the mini fridge, which is always going to be unstocked. Plenty of storage for you to put stuff that you're going to get during your cruise. Or if you've ordered some items, you might be able to just store them in here, your water, wine, and so forth. And then you have a bank of more drawers on the other side. And then we have the bathroom in the room. And one thing I like is that instead of having sort of a latch, these doors are actually held in place through magnets. So you'll feel it's actually quite strong. You need to have a little bit of force to open the door, but you're not fiddling with latches or anything like that. There is a lock, of course, so if you need to, you can lock the door, but no other latches or anything like that. And then pretty nice layout here as far as the bathroom is concerned. You have a good size vanity area, some storage in the corner, your toilet, and then a rather large circular shower enclosure. And here in the shower, you do have sort of a rainforest shower head as well as a shower wand, which is a nice touch. Most of the ships have gone to these single pump units, so you'll get your body wash from there. If you need shampoo or conditioner and stuff, they can bring that for you as well. And then there is a shave bar on the bottom as well. And it's a nice size shower. I mean, any person can probably fit pretty comfortably in here. Now I'll take you out to the balcony. We're still here in Port Canaveral on embarkation day. One thing I will point out is that pretty typical, you see these child safety latches, which are nice and high up, not too easy for kids to open them up, but you can lock that, the door will not open. You put it in the other position and then you can slide the door. So just something to remember when you're here with young children. Not much of a view right now, but this will definitely change as the sailing commences. As you can see from the bridge wing just a little bit forward here, we are in the forward section of the ship on deck number 9, but you do have a completely uninterrupted view. There was no obstruction at all through the balcony glass, which is fantastic. And you have a couple of chairs and a small table, but the depth and width of this balcony is quite good actually. More than comfortable for 2 people and possibly even 4. And then, as I said, I do have the room next door as well, and this glass section here will be opened up hopefully soon, and I'll have one sort of extended balcony. Since these rooms are not true connecting rooms, this is the only way other than going into the hallway where you can go between the 2 rooms on board.
Thanks for watching this stateroom tour. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, hit that notification bell, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.